How to redeem footlocker gift card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will see how we can redeem footlocker gift card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to the official website. So open up any browser and then head towards footlocker.com. Once you get to the official website, first of all, you have to log in into your account. So navigate towards top right corner and click on sign in button. Here you have to enter your login credentials, and once you're logged in into your account, you have to select the product that you want to purchase, and you will have an option to use your gift card during the checkout process. So here add the items to your shopping cart and head towards the checkout process. So at the checkout process, under the payment section, there you will have an option as gift card. There you may ask to enter the promo code or the gift card. So you have to enter your gift card number and the PIN. You can scratch off the silver strip on the back of your physical card if you have a physical card, or if you have any other virtual gift card, then there you will have a PIN or gift card number. So you have to enter your gift card number. Once you're done, simply click on apply and the total amount will be adjusted based on the gift card balance. Now you have to complete your order as usual, and once you have done that, you have successfully redeemed your gift card on your purchase. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.